In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect HDMI over Ethernet for long-distance displays, what equipment you will need, and how to troubleshoot common issues. HDMI over Ethernet is one of the best solutions for extending video and audio over long distances without losing quality. Now, before setting up everything, it's important to understand what HDMI over Ethernet does. So basically, an HDMI over Ethernet extender uses a transmitter and receiver to send HDMI signals through a standard Ethernet cable. This allows you to place displays much farther away than traditional HDMI cables would allow. Common use cases include digital signal, conference room, home theaters, retail displays, because most HDMI extenders support distances ranging from 50 meters up to 150 meters or more depending on the model and cable quality. Now, the next thing that you need to do is gather the required equipment. You'll need the following: HDMI source device, HDMI display or monitor, HDMI over Ethernet transmitter, HDMI over Ethernet receiver, Cat5e, Cat6 or Cat6a Ethernet cable, power adapters if required by your extender kit, and make sure your extender supports the resolution you plan to use, such as 1080p or 4K. And then you need to connect the HDMI source to the transmitter. Start by locating the transmitter unit. If you found it, connect one end of an HDMI cable to your source device, such as computer, laptop, gaming console, streaming device, media player, and connect the other end to the HDMI input port on the transmitter. Once connected, verify that the cable is securely seated. And then you need to run the Ethernet cable. Connect your Ethernet cable to the transmitter. Route the cable to the location of your remote display. For best performance, use Cat6 or Cat6a whenever possible. Avoid damaged cables. Keep cables away from electrical interference, and do not exceed the maximum distance specified by the manufacturer. Remember this: a quality Ethernet cable can make a significant difference in signal reliability. And of course, you need to connect the receiver. At the display location, connect the Ethernet cable to the receiver unit. Make sure the cable clicks securely into the Ethernet port. The receiver will decode the signal coming from the transmitter and prepare it for display. And then you need to make sure to power on the extender. Many HDMI over Ethernet kits depends really on the requirements, that is for the external power. You need to connect the included power adapters to both the transmitter and receiver if necessary. Once powered, I need you to turn on the source device, turn on the display, wait a few seconds for the HDMI handshake process to complete. The image should appear automatically. Remember, HDMI over Ethernet is an excellent solution when standard HDMI cables aren't long enough for your setup. Using a transmitter, receiver, and Ethernet cable, you can extend high-quality video and audio across much greater distances while maintaining a stable connection. Whether you're setting up a home theater, conference room, digital signal display, or gaming setup, HDMI over Ethernet provides a reliable and cost-effective way to connect displays far from a source device. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.